Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Tubi app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the Tubi app. If it's not working, you have to follow this easy step. So press and hold that here, just click the I button. It will open the app info section of your app. Scroll down and just go to the storage section. Then click on the clear data, just clear the existing data. When you just clear the existing data, then here you have to open the app again. If it's work for you, then fine. If it does not work for you, just check for an update. So checking for update is easy. You can directly go to the Google search bar and check for an update. So at here if you go and search for the Tubi app. So from here, just download the latest version of this app and it will work. So if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.